Welcome to Tampa. If you're looking for the ideal destination for your medical event, we'd be delighted to prescribe Tampa Bay's Cure for the Common Meeting. America's favorite airport. Recognized among the finest in the world, Tampa International Airport makes the journey painless. Camels, our crown jewel. This world-class meeting and educational facility will elevate your event like no venue has ever done before. Moffitt Cancer Center. Tour Florida's best oncology center, a national symbol of resolve. The Morsani College of Medicine. An enlightening and hands-on facility located in the heart of Tampa's Convention District. Tampa General Hospital. A nationwide leader in organ transplants, our teaching hospital will no doubt inspire your attendees. We have the best education and research facilities across all specialties in the Southeast. The Waterfront Convention Center. Get plenty of fresh air walking to your event from our beautiful hotels.
Tampa is an extremely safe city. They could walk across the street to the convention center. We did not need busing, so that was ideal. The Riverwalk was right outside the convention center doors. That was just perfect for a welcome reception. They did an exceptional job.
Discover our theme parks, our outdoor culture, original venues, and experiences suited for every taste. Enjoy our Michelin-recognized restaurant scene, famous craft beer, family-run institutions, and hot-pressed Cuban sandwiches. We are a favorite destination for your attendees. Imagine a business trip that feels like a vacation, and you'll understand why. We invite you to experience our unique culture and hospitality, our globally recognized medical facilities, and discover Tampa's Cure for the Common Meeting. So, take 2 tablets of adventure and call us in the morning.